Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best baby cradle cap brush is probably one of the most essential tools a parent can have in their arsenal when it comes to gently and effectively managing infant seborrheic dermatitis, commonly known as cradle cap, a condition that affects many newborns and can cause flaky, crusty patches on their scalp, and this specialized brush is designed to help lift away those scales without causing discomfort or irritation, promoting a healthier scalp environment for your little one's delicate skin. Number 5. Frida Baby the 3-Step Cradle Cap System. Dealing with cradle cap can be frustrating. Introducing a simple, 3-step solution designed to gently clear your baby's flaky scalp. This system includes everything you need to tackle cradle cap effectively. It's designed for your baby's delicate skin. Begin by softening the flakes with our specialized sponge. This prepares the scalp for the next steps. Gently scrub away the flakes with the included brush. It's designed to be effective yet gentle on your baby's head. Finish by combing out any remaining flakes with the fine-tooth comb. This leaves their scalp smooth and clear. The system comes with a convenient storage stand to keep everything organized. It's the complete solution for managing cradle cap. What we like? This system offers a comprehensive 3-step approach to tackle cradle cap. It includes everything you need from softening to removal and even storage. If you are looking for a complete, all-in-one solution that simplifies the entire process, this is the one for you. What people say. This brush is very gentle on my baby's scalp. It effectively removes cradle cap without causing any irritation. The soft bristles are perfect for massaging my baby's head. Number 4. Safety First Cradle Cap Brush and Comb. Introducing the Safety First Cradle Cap Brush and Comb, designed for gentle care. It helps soothe and clear your baby's delicate scalp with ease. The ultra-soft bristles on the brush ensure maximum comfort for your little one. It effectively loosens flakes without causing irritation. Designed with parents in mind, its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip. This makes it easy to maneuver during bath time or grooming. The comb features fine-tooth spacing to gently lift and remove scales. It works in tandem with the brush for a complete solution. Crafted from baby-safe, BPA-free materials, you can trust its quality. This durable set is built to last through your baby's early years. Achieve a clean and healthy scalp for your baby. This grooming set is an essential tool for managing cradle cap effectively. What we like? This set provides a gentle brush and an effective comb designed for baby's delicate scalp. It's straightforward to use, making it ideal for parents who want a simple and fuss-free way to manage cradle cap. If you prefer a no-frills, user-friendly tool for daily care, consider this option. What people say. This brush set is a lifesaver for cradle cap. The soft silicone bristles are gentle on the baby's scalp, and the different brush sizes are perfect for different stages of the condition. I love that this brush set comes with a comb and a soft brush. It makes it so easy to gently loosen and remove cradle cap flakes without irritating my baby's skin. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold. Number 3. Era Organics Baby Healing Ointment. Introducing our USDA-certified organic healing ointment, specially formulated for your baby's delicate skin. It provides natural moisture to soothe and protect. Is your baby's skin prone to eczema or cradle cap? This gentle formula is designed to calm irritation and promote healing. We use only the best USDA-certified organic ingredients to ensure a safe and effective solution for your infant. You can trust its natural purity. This ointment offers relief for common baby skin issues like rashes and hives. It helps restore comfort and health to their skin. Our product is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It provides a protective barrier without harsh chemicals. Keep your baby's skin soft, smooth, and healthy with this nourishing healing ointment. It's the perfect addition to your baby care routine. What we like? This product is a USDA-certified organic healing ointment designed to moisturize and soothe. It's perfect for babies with sensitive skin prone to eczema, rashes, or cradle cap. If you prioritize natural ingredients and are looking for a gentle, healing balm to calm irritated skin, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The brush is soft and gentle on the baby's scalp. It effectively removes cradle cap without causing irritation. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver. Number 2. Frida Baby Detangling Hairbrush. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. This brush is designed to gently detangle even the thickest, curliest hair without causing tears or breakage. Perfect for toddlers and kids, it's designed to be gentle on their delicate scalps. Enjoy tear-free brushing sessions every time. Whether their hair is wet or dry, this brush glides through with ease. It works effectively in all conditions to keep their hair smooth. Featuring a unique wide-tooth comb and bristle combination, it effectively loosens knots and smooths hair. Get salon-like results at home. Its thoughtful design minimizes pulling and stress on the hair strands. This helps prevent breakage, keeping their hair healthy and strong. In a lovely teal color, this brush is as stylish as it is functional. It's the ideal tool for managing your child's beautiful hair. What we like. This brush is specifically designed for thick or curly hair, effectively detangling knots without causing tears or breakage. It features a wide-tooth comb and bristle combo for versatile use on wet or dry hair. If your little one has stubborn tangles or curly hair and you're seeking a gentle detangling solution, this is a great pick. What people say. The brush is soft and gentle on the baby's scalp. It effectively removes cradle cap flakes without causing irritation. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver. Number 1. Frida Baby Cradle Cap Treatment Kit. Is your little one struggling with cradle cap? We understand how frustrating it can be for both of you. Introducing a gentle yet effective solution designed specifically for your baby's delicate scalp. It's time to say goodbye to dryness and flakes. This specially formulated kit works to soothe irritation and prevent future dryness and flakes. Keep their scalp healthy and comfortable. Our kit includes everything you need for complete cradle cap care. From cleansing shampoo to our flake-fixing spray, we've got you covered. Achieve a happy, healthy scalp for your baby with ease. Enjoy more cuddles and less worry about skin discomfort. What we like. This kit combines a gentle shampoo with a flake fixer scalp spray to soothe and prevent dryness and flakes. It's designed to provide targeted treatment for cradle cap while keeping the baby's scalp comfortable. If you need a specialized treatment kit that addresses both the symptoms and prevention of cradle cap, this is a highly recommended option. What people say. This brush is gentle on my baby's scalp and effectively removes cradle cap without causing irritation. The soft bristles are perfect for massaging my baby's head while cleaning, and it's easy to hold and maneuver. I love how this brush helps to loosen and lift the cradle cap flakes, making bath time much easier and more effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.